Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming videos. Let's get started.
Imagine you're driving, having a great day, and then something unexpected happens. You've just been in a car accident. Your heart is racing, and you don't know what to do next. Don't panic. Today, Sam is going to give you the ultimate step-by-step guide to protect yourself and your insurance claim. Step number 1. Always check for injuries immediately. Take a deep breath and check yourself and your passengers. Then, carefully check on the other driver. If anyone is hurt, do not hesitate. Call emergency services right away. Safety is always the top priority. Step number 2. Secure the scene. If the accident is minor and the cars can move, safely pull over to the side of the road to get out of traffic. Turn on your hazard lights, and if you have traffic cones or flares, set them out to warn oncoming drivers. Step number 3. Exchange information calmly. Talk to the other driver and collect their full name, contact info, driver's license number, and insurance policy details. Remember a golden rule. Be polite, but never admit fault or say, "I'm sorry" at the scene. Let the investigators decide what happened. Step number 4. Report the accident promptly. Call the police to the scene so they can create an official report, and make sure to get the police report ID number. This document is crucial evidence that your insurance company will look for. Step number 5. Secure your claim and finish strong. Upload your photos, the other driver's info, and the police report directly to your insurance provider. Contact your insurance adjuster as soon as possible to get your claim approved and get your car back to the repair shop.
That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, leave a comment down below and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Next video.